Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Purple color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, light purple color, grey color, dark green color, dark blue color, light pink color, black color, orange color, dark pink color, light orange color, light green color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Left side arrow, right side arrow. Left side, right side arrow. Hexagon. Division. Sun. Right triangle. Cylindrical. Light pink color. Left side, right side arrow. Left side, right side arrow. Black color. Hexagon. 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 Black color. Red color. Division. 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 Red color. Yellow color. Sun. Sun. sun, red color, sun, red color, sky blue color, right triangle, right triangle, sky blue color, dark green color, cylindrical, 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 dark green color, orange color, cylindrical, light pink color, black color, red color, yellow color, red color, sky blue color, dark green color, orange color, left side, right side arrow, hexagon, division, sun, right triangle, cylindrical. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.